Today I'm going to show you how to delete subscribers on Beehiiv quickly and safely. This is useful if you want to clean up your audience, remove inactive contacts, or delete someone who should no longer be on your list. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside Beehiiv so you can do it in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps everything related to your subscribers, lists, and audience management. After that, click Subscribers. This will open the full list of people currently subscribed to your publication. Now you'll want to find the subscriber you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use search if you already know the person's name or email. When you locate the subscriber, click their email address. This is important because it opens that specific subscriber's profile page where you can manage their details and actions. On the subscriber profile, look for the delete option. Click delete when you're ready. Beehiiv will usually ask you to confirm the action, so take a moment to make sure you are deleting the correct subscriber. Once you confirm the deletion, the subscriber and all associated data will be permanently removed from your account. That means their profile information and related subscriber data will no longer be available. So be sure before you click confirm. And that's it. You've now deleted a subscriber on Beehiiv. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can help keep your audience clean and organized. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.